Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Caitlin coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, September 26, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 72 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox won last night against the Indians with a score of 8-0. The Cubs lost last night against the Pirates with a score of 5-9. Today's announcements are: don't forget today is Zero Waste Lunch. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Fry.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. It must be Friday because we're wearing our orange and it's our Smensel celebrations. We have many students that we want to honor and celebrate this week for doing something great. So we will start with a few examples. This week, we wanted to recognize Cody. You're always so kind to everyone in your class. You include anyone and bring a smile to our faces with your jokes. From Mrs. Smith.
Then we have Kaden and Josh. Thank you for your service. You are being so responsible with the flag. It's a hard job. Thank you for keeping everyone safe. From Mrs. Leem.
All right, our other Smensel winners this week are Kaden from 203.
Oh, sorry. Josh from 207.
Daihi from 206.
Cody from 112.
Miss Chavez.
Mrs. Gruzard.
Mrs. Marano.
Mrs. Rushke.
Mrs. Kozak.
Aria Cruz in 111.
Faith from 205.
Arif Patel from 205.
Azra and Mia from 116.
Mrs. Foy.
Ashton from 211.
Kaden Reed in 214.
And Manal from 214.
Angela from 107.
Josh and Umama from 119.
Caitlin and Diksha from room 106.
Matthew, Allie, and Emily from room 115.
Anish from room 118.
Ava from 117.
Radu and Astrid from 105.
Mrs. Latrofa.
Mrs. Slavic.
Alexis from 201.
Sophia from 202.
And Dino from 108. Congratulations to all of our Smensel winners this week and you being acknowledged. Please do head down to the office after announcements because you're not going to want to miss the school song. After announcements to get your Smensel. My last celebration is actually for one of our very own 5th grade students who was recognized last night at our Board of Education meeting for being a part of the Athletes, Partners, and Coaches Club for Special Olympics. Congratulations to Andrew. Way to go, Andrew. All right, we are ready for our school song. Come on in, guys. You can just stand right in front of us. Yep, you got it. Nice job. Okay, good. Scoot this way a little bit. There you go. Scoot it. There you go. Perfect.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. Hooray!
All right, Hoover. Let's be champions together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Fry. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Frappuccino Goats. Have a friendly Friday.